Hey everyone, welcome to week 5 and in the beginning of March. This week we are talking about client satisfaction. So, as I said in last week's kind of introductory video, we transitioned last week from sort of evaluating practice uh, with one client to evaluating programs, and logic models were a way to sort of describe programs in their simplest, most sort of perfect, idealized kind of form. What we're going to be doing over the next couple of weeks here is starting to look at various ways to look at client or sort of program outcomes. And the first one really is client satisfaction. Now, client satisfaction is a good outcome. It's not a great outcome. In and let me tell you why. So clients, we want clients to be satisfied with our services, but oftentimes social workers are asking clients to do things that are tough or that they don't really want to do. And sometimes making a behavior change, although it's in in a person's best interest and they know it's in their best interest, it's a tough thing to do. So client satisfaction is important, but it's certainly not the, sort of the end all be all for looking at program outcomes and doing outcome evaluations. Good example is my work in substance use. We ask clients to cut back on substance use, and clients have a lot of different attitudes. Sometimes they know they need to reduce or quit, but they don't want to. Sometimes they know they need to reduce or quit and want to. Sometimes they don't think that they have a problem, and so they resent. They're angry, they're resentful. And they're really unlikely to be highly satisfied with services no matter what happens. So client satisfaction is a component of program evaluation. It is not the only indicator that one would ever use to determine if a program was successful. So a couple of readings here. Obviously, no reading in the book. You probably won't see these red little speed dials here. That's something for me. But readings, lectures, there is a discussion, and then of course feedback and a quiz here for you as well. So the other thing that's sort of going on this week, I finished grading the single system design proposals. I'm recording this video on Sunday afternoon. It's Sunday, February 28th, so you'll be looking at this during the first week of March. I just finished grading those like within the past hour or so. So take a look. Get in touch with me if you have questions, or if I left a question for you in the little grade section. And then starting sometime this week or early part of next week, you can get started with the single system design project. Make sure you have an Excel file set up to collect your data. Get in touch with me if you have questions about how to do that, or check the video from last week or whenever that was, where we started talking about Excel. And yeah, we'll get started on that project. So hope everyone's doing well. As always, get in touch if you need to. We'll talk to you soon.